Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're making meatless meatballs, lentil balls. I was a little skeptic. It's the first time doing a vegan recipe until I tasted it, and I want to make this day after day. I'm probably gonna make my family sick of it. So if you're interested, stay tuned.
Alright guys, so to start this recipe, we're using 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed meal and combining it with 2 tablespoons of warm water. This acts as a binder for our lentil meatballs and replaces an egg. We're going to give this a quick mix and let it sit for 10 minutes so that it becomes nice and thick. Next, we're going to add the olive oil to a large pan over medium heat. And once it's warm, we're going to add in our diced onions and saute that for about 5 minutes until it's soft. Then we're going to add the garlic and cook for another minute or two until it's nice and fragrant. Then we're going to set this aside. Then we're going to add the whole almonds to a food processor and pulse this a couple times. Then pop the lid and add in the rest of the ingredients. In goes the nutritional yeast, our Italian seasoning mix, salt and pepper, our flaxseed egg, our green lentils, the onion and garlic, the red wine vinegar, and the soy sauce. Then close the lid and pulse this a couple times. Don't over-process, as it can make it hard to form the balls later. And this is the consistency that I'm going to work with. Then preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lining a baking sheet with parchment paper, we're going to use about 1 tablespoon of the lentil mixture to make a ball. Place them on the baking sheet about an inch apart. This should make about 18 to 20 balls. Pop them in the oven for 24 minutes, flipping halfway through. Let them rest for a couple minutes before adding them to a warm marinara and basil sauce.
Alright guys, that's a wrap on this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you're interested in me making more vegan recipes, because I'm definitely interested and might be doing more of that soon. So until next time, I will see you in the kitchen.